We finished up tonight with a little bit of 2J work. It's looking pretty bare right now. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoyed that little intro. I filmed that earlier today. Now it's dark, but it's alright. I've been working on the S14 subframe. I've been welding in the little reinforcement plates. I'm not going to show you the welds up close because they're kind of bad. I'm really not that great at welding, but I got the job done, I think. I think they'll be okay. They're just reinforcement plates, so it's not like super important. You can kind of see the plates here, and around the subframe. My original plan was to take it to get powder coated. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. It just takes extra time and money, and right now I just really need to get it in the car and just get all the parts on there. I think, let me see if I have some. I'm thinking about using this stuff. Now this is like truck bed liner coating. It has a little bit of a texture to it. It's not bad, but it's really tough stuff, I guess. So I don't know. I think I will try it. I might be an idiot for doing it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I just make videos. It's about 7:45. Hopefully you can get it back in the car tonight. And then I need to get this stuff in there. This right here is Wise Fab for the rear. Look at all that right there. Look at all that. And it has the dual caliper bracket already on there. It's just incorporated within the hub, which is super cool, I think. The knuckle and all that goodness. I got a whole bunch of parts coming for it. Should be fun. And there's some of the boys rolling up. Really hoping to get a lot done tonight. Make a good video for you guys. Better. 600. Nope. Frick. This is for like body work I bought from Walmart.
Well, when we were doing the
body work.
We were doing the 240.
Yeah. We're scuffing this up before I do the bed liner. Just so we can have something to bite to, you know? Just did the first coat of bed liner on the subframe. Now I'm gonna wait for it to dry, flip it over, do the other side. It's coming out pretty good. We got some gaskets in for the JZ from Asian Autos. So this is like the Toyota set.
I'll be there better than I find a way.
Oh, the head gasket's in here. This is some like, supposedly it's like a cheap head gasket or whatever. It didn't even say what. So those are the valve covers. Definitely need those. And I think that's intake manifold. Why is it bent? Good deal. So we're trying to get this torque converter off. There's this little window down here. I don't know if you can see it about right there. Had to take a little rubber cover off, and now there's like 5 or 6 17mm bolts going into it this way. I'm gonna go to bust those off, and that should be able to just pop right off, and we'll go from there. Had to put it on the hoist a little bit to get access to it. Once we get that off, we'll be able to put it on the engine stand. It'll be a lot more secure. We can get this pallet out of here. Taking off the flywheel of the 2JZ, and apparently JD Medalis did not drain the oil. They usually do. Looks kind of gross, so we're definitely doing the head gasket in this thing. I ordered one, it's on its way. When you start breaking down the head, I don't think I'm gonna do anything with the heads, as long as they look good. I'm gonna talk to some people and see what they think. Hoping to just do head gasket, put it back together, and call it good enough for now. That's some good stuff. Well, we finally got the crank pulley bolt off. The thing was really on there. Now I'm going to use this 3-jaw puller to pull the pulley off. Pretty much you put this little thing in the front and these little 3 arms latch onto it, and you use a ratchet. You ratchet that, this threaded piece pushes in, and then it pulls out this. That's what people use to get these off. Hoping it works for us. 2JZ update. We've been working at it here for a while. Got most of the intake manifold off. Most all the wiring's off, timing belt, cover, all of that. Now it is time to get like the fuel rail and the lower intake manifold piece out. Not sure if we're gonna get the head off tonight. I doubt it, but we're gonna try to get as far as we can with that. Kind of stopped on the subframe for right now. Might pick that back up. It's about 12 o'clock, whatever. We're kind of night owls around here. Look at all that. Get that out of here. We got a fresh harness coming. It's currently in the mail. put it back on the pallet, send it back to Japan. All right, it's going good, boys. So I think we're gonna take the heads off the 2J like another day. It's getting a little late. Got a lot of work done on it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw on one of the motor mounts. Just kind of want to see how it looks on there. So let's toss these on just so we can see and put something on the 2J.
If you really think about it, you should have done like a ton of modifications on the Camry so that we knew how to do it for here. Does that make sense? Like, yeah, like you should mod a crappy car before trying to go full send on a sick car.
E36 is for?
Yeah, but you haven't gone full send on it.
Using like
working on it, like
taking down motors.
Yeah,
you've done your Xterra. It's a crappy car.
Yeah, but it's completely different.
Nah.
I wasn't trying to make it performance. I was trying to make it run. Oh, dude, clickbait the video. First 2JZ mod.
One motor mount. I'm just trying to get people to watch the 240 videos. Well, that's that. That's on there. I think that's how good. I mean, we're gonna take it off anyway and torque it and red Loctite it, but that's a step.
Is this how it's supposed to go?
I saw it on video once, man. You just knock them right in.
Put this in backwards.
She's in.
That'll be the fattest L.
End up getting one subframe bushing in. I think we're going to wait to do the rest on a later day. We're kind of making a loud noise and there's some houses back there. We don't want to disturb them. It's kind of late at night. I'm not sure if I mentioned it to you guys, but I'm actually kooky swapping this front end. It was a Zinky. I've been getting some kooky parts in. I need the fenders and the hood. I think is all I have left. I'm not sure if you have to do the radiator support. If you guys know anything about that, let me know down in the comments if you have to have like the other radiator support or not. I've heard both things. We finished up tonight with a little bit of 2J work. It's looking pretty bare right now. We just put the valve covers back on there so stuff wouldn't get in there. Probably should stuff some cloths, towels in these intake holes. Got the motor mount off this other side and along with the oil filter and the oil filter housing. I think I have ordered pretty much everything I need for the 2J. I'm not sure if I'm going to do cams or not. Still up in the air on that. I'm just going to take off the heads probably tomorrow. Look at the condition of everything, see how it looks, and then probably go from there. Alrighty guys, that's going to wrap up this episode of the 2JZ S14 build. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts down in the comments. That helps more people find the videos. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the builds we got going on the channel. Keep a lookout for another video on the S14. Catch you guys in the next one.